You may face some things that are so heavy, so big, that they hide inside you. They become mountains, but hidden beneath the ground. They are so much, too much to hold, too much to even look at. And then something will happen. A crack will appear in the earth's floor, and there it is. There it will be standing, mighty, as it was all along, but now forcing you to face it. The whole of it. Here is where many people break or run, overwhelmed by the size of this mountain that's been there all along, too awful to look at. Here is where you have to plant your feet firm, cry, bend, bow, beg God for help. But keep your feet planted firm. This is the ribat, to remain stationed. God says, "O you who have believed, persevere and endure, and remain stationed, and fear Allah that you may be successful."
يا أيها الذين آمنوا اصبروا وصابروا ورابطوا واتقوا الله لعلكم تفلحون واتقوا الله لعلكم تفلحون